How to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily restrict someone on Facebook Messenger app. But before we do that, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So let us jump right in. First thing you have to do is tap on the Messenger app to open it up. And once you open up your messenger, all you have to do is choose a chat or a person that you want to restrict and tap on their chat. And once you open up their chat, just tap on their profile icon on top. Once you get to their profile icon, if you scroll down a bit, you'll have different options like privacy and support. You have verify end-to-end encryption, disappearing messages, read receipts, then you have restrict, block, and report. So you can restrict them by tapping on this restrict icon right here at the bottom. And if you want to block them, you can just tap on the top right corner to block them as well. Go ahead and tap on this restrict icon. And what it will do is move the chat out of sight. It will remove the conversation from your chat list, hide your activity. They won't see when you've read messages or active status. And you can also unrestrict anytime. They won't be notified that you've restricted them. Now click on restrict. Now you have successfully restricted this person. So if I go back, the chat will be disappeared from my list. So that's how you restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you next time.